Hi, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to be here and I'm so excited to meet you again. Today, I'll be showing you how to make Efo Riro. Efo Riro is basically vegetable soup mixed with stew. So we're going to prepare the stew base, then pour in the vegetable and mix it. So that's why they named it Efo Riro, because you are turning the Efo with the stew. Riro means turn. It is very easy to make and very straightforward. Please stay with me. Let's walk through the ingredients real quick. To make Efo Riro, we'll be making use of palm oil, bouillon cubes and salt, locust beans, onion, rough pepper blend. This pepper blend consists of cayenne pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, fresh tomatoes and some onions. I love using rough pepper blend just so I can see some chunks of pepper while I mix the vegetable with the stew. So rough pepper blend, that is. Turkey. This turkey was already grilled. You can choose to boil your turkey, that works perfectly, but this is what I have at home at the moment, so this is what I'm going to be using for this soup. Assorted meat and pomo. This meat was already seasoned and boiled, so all I have to do now is just incorporate it to my stew and it is ready to use. It is ready to eat. Efo leaf. This leaf was already pre-plucked and properly rinsed. Just tell them you want efo tete if you would love to use this type of leaf that I am using. You can also use shoko. There is even iyanokwaja leaf. Anyone works perfectly, but I love using efo tete for my Efo Riro. So my friends, now that we've gone through the ingredients, we're going to begin with chopping our vegetable. You can decide to use your chopping board and knife to chop your vegetable, but I'm going to be making use of a food processor because it is quick and fast. So let's do that. That we've chopped our vegetable, let's cook. So we're going to begin with sauteing our onions, our locust beans, and we're going to fry the base of our Efo Riro, which is going to be the stew. Onion, locust beans on very low heat. Let's fry this. This simple process is called sauteing. It brings out the flavor from the onions and the locust beans, and it gives your Efo Riro and the stew base a very nice flavor and aroma. Now let's go in with our roughly chopped pepper, bouillon cubes, salt, the assorted beef and pomo. Time it goes in here so that it can soak up the stew. We are going to add in the turkey so that everything can soak up the stew before we add in the vegetable. You really want your protein to be very tasty. So we're going to let the stew base fry properly so that the beef, the turkey, the assorted can soak up the stew, and so that the stew does not taste sour when we add in the vegetable. You don't want the end result of the Efo Riro to be tasting sour. So I'm going to let this fry on low heat for about 10 minutes and I'll be back to it. Smells divine. Smells so good. Let's take the turkey away first so that we can stir the sauce properly. This time we're going with the Efo, the vegetables. Let's go in with the turkey now. This Efo Riro is another standard though. Efo Riro with turkey. Honestly, for me, I do not know what to pair with this soup, but regardless, let's give it a taste. I'm sure this will taste very, very good because I'm a good cook. And when you watch this video, I'm sure you'll be able to make your next Efo Riro very, very perfect, right? My friends, this tasted really, really nice. 10 over 10 minus nothing. The efo, the pepper was, I love the fact that I'm tasting the pepper in the efo. Like, it was not so pepperish, but it's a little bit pepperish, just the way I like it. The efo was, the meat was tender and the meal itself is very yummy. My friends, you need to try out this recipe, and I'm trust me on this one. This recipe, if you try it out step by step the way I've shown you, I guarantee you a perfect result. So let me know if you'll be trying this out, and if you eventually try it out, please send me feedback on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, and even on X. I am Chef Temmie on all social media platforms. My friends, please hit the subscribe button if you've not subscribed yet, and please do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you consider this video helpful. I would love to see you in our next one. Bye.